Welcome to this clear walkthrough on how to export your WordPress media library in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, we begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once the page is loaded, direct your attention toward the upper right corner where you will find the option to log in. Selecting this option will take you to the WordPress login page. After you have initiated the login process, you will see an option to continue with Google. Choosing this method simplifies the login process by allowing you to use one of your existing Google accounts. When you click on Continue with Google, a list of available accounts will appear. Simply select the account you wish to use and allow a brief moment for the login process to complete. With the login successfully accomplished, your screen will now display the WordPress dashboard. From this main page, your next objective is to locate and click on the Tools section. The Tools section is the gateway to several useful administrative functions on your website. Selecting this option will bring forth additional tools to help you manage your WordPress experience. Once you have entered the Tools section, look for the Export option. The purpose of exporting is to create a copy of your site's media assets, which you may later import to another location or keep for backup purposes. Clicking on the Export option now takes you one step closer to completing the media export process. After selecting export, the next area of focus becomes the media components of your site. On the export page, you will find a link labeled media. When you click on media, you are specifically instructing WordPress to retrieve only the media files from your entire site, rather than including posts or pages. This targeted export helps maintain a smaller, more manageable file size. The following step is to set the time frame for the media files you wish to export. You will first choose a start date. Selecting a start date instructs WordPress to include all media files uploaded on or after this date. This selection ensures you are not overwhelmed by unnecessary files if you only require media from a specific period. Next, you will choose an end date. Setting an end date defines the cutoff point for the media files that are included. With a start date and an end date in place, you have effectively narrowed down the selection to the files that matter most for your current needs. Finally, the process concludes with the action of downloading the export file. At this stage, you simply click on the option labeled Download Export File. WordPress will then generate and provide the file containing the backup of your media library. Following these instructions will allow you to efficiently export your media files so that you can safely store them or use them elsewhere as needed. This completes the detailed walkthrough on how to export your WordPress media library smoothly and effectively. Enjoy the ease of managing your backups and media assets with this simple method.